I don't know. You probably, I don't know. Well, how you would, I guess you could fish off the bottom and catch catfish.
I guess so.
I guess.
Did you bring your drop shot weights?
Yeah, I got some weights with me.
Got another one.
Did you?
Yep.
Probably the same one.
Yep.
Tyron hit them?
I'm finna use my hand. Or
I usually bring a thing with me.
a rag.
Yeah.
Oh, I can just unhook them like this. You don't twitch.
Grab them.
One second.
What are you trying to do? Did it swallow it?
Nope. I need a. One sec. I forgot I got pliers. Papa, are my pliers over there?
Yeah.
Hey, can I get them?
What do you want pliers for?
Here you go.
I caught another one.
Are you having issues?
Nope.
Okay.
Actually, kind of, but.
His issue is he doesn't want to touch it. Just like I don't like touching fishing worm poop. You still gotta touch them.
Yeah, I know. Oh, crap.
Come on, that's a good bite. Go down under.
Crap.
You get him?
Yeah, but he didn't go all the way in. Go in there, bluegill. Or is he dead? Nope, he's back.
Look at all these fish right here. Dad?
Yep. Oh, come on. I'm bluegill fishing up freaking. And it got my worm. You're getting one.
He's been pulling it around.
Set the hook. As soon as it goes underwater, you just yank on that thing.
I always do and I always miss it.
Yep. You know, that's how it plays out sometimes.
There's some kind of a plot or something. No, he's not full-blooded. He looks like he's got plot in him. You eat on my worm, you little stupid thing.
See if you can catch a catfish.
I caught a naked bone.
Let's see. Over here a while.
Watch out, dog. Oh,
I'd rather be burning than having these sticks poke me in the butt.
oh no, I don't
Oh
stay.
my god.
Whoops. That one was raunchy.
Fucking die.
That one's going on the YouTube. Let them.
My grandma, well, my great grandma,
Yep.
she would take, and it didn't matter how big the fish was.
Mm-hmm.
She caught it, she took it home and ate it.
Oh, really?
Even if it was an inch, I've seen her take fish this big home and clean them.
Your mom?
My grandma.
Oh, your grandma.
My great grandma.
Yeah, there's a whole school of fish down here. Oh, really?
Dumpty Dumpty. Come on, sink it. Playing, sink. If he wants one, he can reel. Give him this one. Because I didn't even do anything. I just threw out and look at that. I threw that out there. It took one bite. Dave, does he want a bobber?
I got a bass.
It's not a bass.
That is a bass.
Oh, yeah, it is. It's a bass.
Yep. Hey. Oh, and he's gone. Well, goodbye. Thanks for biting. That was an easy release. You know,
How many worms you guys got?
I got one.
No. How many worms? Bucket.
Oh no, we got two.
I'm surprised Grandpa didn't get some mealworms. Dave, you got any mealworms with you?
What?
Mealworms.
No,
Did they not have any?
no. I don't know. I didn't look. If you catch a catfish, it'll be probably about this long.
How long?
About 18, 20 inches.
I got the wrong setup for that.
Pull back. You win.
We're gonna go down here. I'm gonna go down here and try not to get eaten by a snake.
Big head. The big head. I caught a turnfish. I caught a turnfish. You caught a what? A little turnfish.
What you catch?
A little turnfish.
Little sunfish. Get down, you knucklehead. Get down, you freaking knucklehead.
That's gonna hurt.
You asshole, you better fuck what you're doing. You're gonna get hurt. I'm the one that's getting hurt because I'm the one who's getting hurt. Tommy! You're mine. Yay, I caught one.
What'd you catch? Sunfish.
I got it. Hey, get my worth it. Swimming too, bad swimming. Oh, I also caught that ball. Come on, there's enough of the worm on there. How long it's been since I've been down here fishing?
How long?
How old was Abby when we were down here? 7?
He was young,
7, 8?
probably.
That's how long it's been.
Yeah.
Since I've been down here fishing.
I bet there ain't been nobody fishing in this pond since probably 3 years.
Why 3 years?
Just ain't nobody fishing here anymore.
Did you bring the boys over when they were in the last time?
No, we never been down here since yesterday. Not yesterday.
You know, big head. That's all you are. Just a big baby.
I'm
What?
I think I might fish for some bass, maybe.
Huh?
I think I might fish for some bass. Oh, this is just freaking comical.
There you go. You got the smallest one now.
You better video cam it.
I am. It's a small little striped bass.